Stop playing with him, right?
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Corey Wright and this is my 2015 Civic Si. Recently this car been giving me some problems. If you guys follow me on IG, you would know. Post everything on there first, whether it's a post or story, but usually a story before it happens on YouTube, so go ahead and follow me there. So just recently the car left me stranded, bro. Well, it ain't really leave me stranded, it kind of left me like in limp mode. It got me home. It was crawling home, bro. That shit did not want to go home. Pedal was actually giving me no type of response, so whenever I pressed on the pedal, the RPMs wouldn't even go up. In my whip on my way to work, bro. Limp mode. I'm not even pressing on the gas right now. It's just going by itself. I don't know what's going on. I went to AutoZone, got a scan. It says it's something to do with the throttle body position sensor, I think. So we're gonna check that out when we get home. But this is crazy, bro. My car won't go any faster, bro. Check hill start. Check TPMS sensor. Check emission system. Check power steering system. All this, bro. Crazy. I was just trying to have a good day, bro. Shit is crawling right now, bro. Oh my god. Oh, we getting some speed. Oh, no. The fuck? This really sucks. So now I gotta drive the car home in limp mode. Hopefully, I don't get fucking rear-ended. I'm driving the right lane with my fucking hazards on. Bro, I'm tight right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta take the local road all the way home, bro. Went to O'Reilly. The part is not in stock, but I ordered it to the one closest to me. They said it'll be there tomorrow morning by 7:30, so. Hey, fuck it. We hit 24, nigga. Yes, sir. Fuck you, boy. Oh, shit. Let's see if we can get past 30. I'm in 4th gear right now. I'm still not touching the gas. I think we topped out, guys. Bro, I'm just trying to make it home, bro. I made it back in limp mode, crawled to my friend's car, barely made it into my friend's garage. I got in the garage, I tried changing the throttle body first, and it did nothing, bro. Nothing. So I just took off the throttle body right here. As you can see, it's really dirty. Got a gunk in there. Replace it tomorrow, and hopefully that solves the issue.
Next morning.
I want to go pick up the new throttle body. Getting way home, bro. What is this? What am I supposed to do with this? This shit not gonna take me nowhere, bro. After I changed the throttle body and I saw everything with that was okay, I was like, maybe it got something to do with the pedal. You feel me? Because the pedal has sensors on it. The pedal has a sensor on it. Even all 9th gen Civics, pedal or the throttle is all electronic. So there's a bunch of sensors. So if anything goes wrong, you just have to chase problems until you figure out what it is really. Luckily, second thing I tried was replacing the whole pedal with the sensor on it, bro. I actually changed the throttle body, tried to start it, still didn't work. So it's not the throttle body. It has to be one of the sensors or some of the wiring somewhere. I don't know what happened, but I'm thinking a possibility could be down here. And there's a throttle position sensor on the pedal up there. I think you have to take out the whole pedal or order the whole pedal in order to change it, but I think that might be the next option in trying to find out why this thing is giving me no gas pedal response, bro. Guess what? It was a f***ing pedal. It was the So yeah, after we got that figured out, like thank God, bro, because I was not trying to chase that problem for days. So I ended up getting it from Honda, special ordered. It took about 2 to 3 days, like $104 for a new pedal. And the car is working perfectly fine now. If you're new to the channel, I'm gonna do a quick overview of what's done to the car. First off, this car is a PRL Stage 2 turbo kit. Precision 6266 in the back of the engine bay. Can't see it from the front, but it's back there somewhere. Go ahead and fix this. You know what I'm saying? Catch can, that counts too, right? Right now the car's on low boost. It's running about 8 pounds on E85. I want to say it's making around high 300s, low 400s, and this is a conservative tune, so keep it like this for a minute so I can make some progress in other areas, you feel me? Because every single time I want to do something with this car, something ends up breaking. I'm just gonna keep it on low boost for now and try to get more stuff done to the car for you guys, because I know you guys love seeing me do new stuff to the car. It's windy as fuck today. Only thing this car would need to go like 550 would be a new clutch, because my clutch also started slipping, but it still hasn't slipped. It's been like a month. And I would also need new injectors, maybe 2000cc injectors to run E85. Right now I have 1000cc injectors. I think the duty cycle right now is around, it's in the 80s I believe, so I think they say your duty cycle is supposed to be around like 60 to 80%, so the car's running pretty healthy right now. Also, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. This is my second drop. We have a basic step out tee. It also comes in black. That's what I'm wearing right now. It's actually like my favorite one. And this is it already washed and dried, bro. Great quality. This shirt right here is probably my favorite design we've ever done. It's a Miami Vice themed graphic. Just the detail in this design alone, came out so dope. Got step out right here. We got the name of the car, Shadow, and then we got a picture of the whip right there, bro. This is fire. It's like an oversized tee. Super good quality. This is an extra large, and I washed and dried it. I actually ended up going up in the sizing. Got medium, large, XL, 2XL, and 3XL. Now the reason I did that, I'm just having fun, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the reason I went up to 3XL is to give you guys that oversized look if you want it. You feel me? It's the type of shit I love. This is a 2XL. You feel me? And it fit nice, bro. You feel me? Not too tight on you. You feel me? It's comfortable. If you guys want small t-shirts though, let me know. I can make a couple for each design if you guys just let me know in the comments. This merch will be releasing soon. If you want any updates on it, just go ahead and follow this IG I'm gonna put on the screen. Releasing soon. Second drop. Let's get it. I got a 13 Pro. Me too, bro. Marked car looks so aesthetically pleasing, just parked up right there, bro. That shit looks crazy. See this shit, bro? I gotta take it. I got this little village, bro. I was driving through, like, yo, I gotta take my car here, bro. Look at this, bro. It's good. What you doing, bro? Hold on. Shit just cleaning. It's gotta edit it. Wait till you see them on IG, bro. Orlando street scene, man. That the sensor went bad. I think there was some water coming from up there. When I got back to the garage that day, the whole floorboard was wet, only on the driver's side though. So I know there's a leak somewhere, so I put that there for now because I think that's where it was coming from. I believe I plugged it up properly, but just put that there to be extra sure so the sensor don't get wet again. Can't have that shit happening again, bro. So this is what the gas pedal looked like if y'all ain't know. It's one whole piece with the sensor up here that plugs in. Pretty sure this is the part that went bad. Oh. Just start driving slow because a cop pulled up, bro. Oh my god. I had to switch locations real quick. I'm just here enjoying life, bro. Past like week or two I've been stressed out. It just hasn't been going my way, you feel me? But one thing that helps me get through tough times is just remembering, just be humble, bro. Just be humble. You blessed you even woke up. There's little shit like that. You're in a position you can eat. You can put clothes on your back. You got somewhere to stay. You got somewhere to lay your head and shit. It kind of humbled me every single time, you know. And this, so fucking grateful for this car, bro. So grateful for everything turning out the way that it did. Believe it or not, it was not easy getting to this point. Y'all may be looking at this like, oh, this car's so nice. I wish I had this. I wish I had that, bro. This shit took time, bro. This shit took time. Had this car almost 5 years now, bro. So just always remember your time coming, bro. If you work hard, stay humble, just keep your head down, bro. Your time coming. Don't worry about it. It's gonna come in time, I promise.
Stop playing with him, Riot.
Oh shit, that shit feel like a glove. Oh, get on there. That shit fits perfect, bro. Yeah, that shit fit a little too tight. Goddamn, man. Just like that. What y'all think? Y'all like this or the water bottle? I'm fucking with this. I don't know. Shit look crazy. As always, thanks for supporting. Follow me on IG, like, comment, subscribe, run it up. I'm gonna see you on the next one.
I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
Fucking pedal. It was the.
I'm not gonna lie, Jarvis was on full recording mode. I was waiting. I said, touch him. Touch him, let my dash cam catch you with 4K. Bro, I'm waiting for it, bro. You can hear it in the video. I said, Jarvis, activate.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really trying